Did you hear what Custis reported?
No, what happened?
They were watching a buzzard, on patrol as usual, but suddenly it started burning and went down. They don't know if the pilot ejected, but it could be worth investigating before the AAF get a chance to respond.
All right, Kerry. Glad to see you made it. Anyway, Miller's put together a plan with Stavro. You coming?
Okay, so here's the situation. The recent attack on Kavala hit us hard. We lost valuable equipment and munitions, several months of supplies. And to make matters worse, with Nikos still missing in action, we've lost a key link in our supply network. We are not desperate. Not yet, at least. But the situation is only going to get worse from here. We must act now. We must strengthen our hand while we still can. Our British friend here has offered us a solution. Part of Miller's team has been scouting enemy movement to the south. There is a weekly supply run between Agios Dionysios and the CSAT outpost in Phocea. His team will move in, ambush the convoy, and deliver the supply truck to one of our teams. So, unless there's any objections, I say we do this.
Did you hear what Custis reported?
No, what happened?
They were watching a buzzard, on patrol as usual, but suddenly it started burning and went down. They don't know if the pilot ejected, but it could be worth investigating before the AAF get a chance to respond.
Form diamond. All right, lads, listen up. 15 minutes till the convoy gets here. Let's move it. Hold on, lads. Go ahead, Falcon. Over. What? Now? Roger that. We'll be there. And Kerry? Over. You sure about that? All right, we'll see. Falcon 2 out. Okay, slight change of plan. We're needed elsewhere. Kerry, Miller wants you to link up with a pocket of guerrillas and await new orders.
But, with respect, what about the convoy? Are we still on for that?
You ask a lot of questions, Corporal. Don't worry, Miller will be in touch soon. You'll know what to do. We gotta go. I suggest you make your way to the new RV now. See you later. All right, lads, move it!
Goddamn Brits.
This is Falcon. Come in. Over.
Copy, Falcon. On my way to the RV. Over.
Good. Now listen, I need you to step up and take command of this operation. Over.
What, are you serious? What makes you think the FAA will accept that?
There's no time for debate. The convoy's en route and you know the plan. Look, I wouldn't task you with this unless I thought you could handle it. Commander Stavro's on board with it too. We'll let them know when you're inbound. Good luck. Falcon out.
God damn it.
This is Slingshot. Come in. Over. Yes, go ahead. Over. Be advised, Corporal Kerry will lead this operation. He will arrive shortly to assume command. Acknowledge. Over. Are you sure, Commander? I'm just saying. Jagas knows the plan too. Listen to me. I'm certain. We see increased CSAT activity near our camp. We simply cannot spare any further time or manpower. The American is familiar with this mission. Falcon has vouched for his ability. There is no room for further discussion. Understood? Affirmative, Commander. We will be at VRE. Good. Your group will operate as callsign Omega. Godspeed, brothers. Slingshot out.
Well, all right then. Gentlemen,
Listen here. We follow you because Commander Stavro ordered us to. Understood? I trust you know what you're doing, and I suggest you keep it simple.
that's fine by me. Let's get this done. Hold fire! Get in that vehicle.
Copy. Ready. Standing by. Waiting. Ready. Corey. One armed E-freight in front, another to the rear. Our target is the second vehicle. Okay, I'm out of here.
Dismount.
We'll go. Standing by. Ready.
Form line.
Ready. Ready.
Get down. Halt.
Understood.
Watch southeast. Unknown contact. One click southeast. Unknown contact. One click southeast.
Hello, Omega? The convoy just arrived in Negative. I think I see troops in the rear of a second vehicle. See you back in the camp.
ArmA3, 700 meters, bearing 135.
Target acquired. ArmA3, 400 meters, bearing 135.
Weapons free. Rifleman, 200 meters front. Free to engage. I've got a visual. Man, 400 meters, bearing 135. Copy my stance. Machine gunner, 400 meters southeast. Man, 400 meters southeast. Man, 400 meters southeast. AT soldier, 40 meters southeast. Reloading. I've got him. Target's down.
Machine gun, 400 meters southeast.
Reloading. Target's down.
Target down.
Danger! stay sharp! Fall back!
Roger that.
Move half a click, northeast!
Understood. Area clear.
Form diamond.
Target down.
Hold fire! Slingshot, this is Omega. Update, we're at the hideout. Over.
Understood. Wait for the spotters to regroup, then we'll start the debriefing. Out.
Oh, fuck! Slingshot, come in. We've got CSAT forces inbound. Over.
What? How did they find our position? Hold there. Await orders.
Gekas! Vega! Weapons high!
ArmA3, half-click, north. Okay, listen carefully. If you can, load the supply truck and fall back to our camp. Go!
Northeast!
On the way! Gunship, 400 meters! Left!
Marcos, report in. Over.
We got a man down. Helicopter, 400 meters, south. Gunship, 400 meters, south.
We're 400 meters northeast.
On the way!
Fall back!
Roger!
Form file! Stop!
Roger that!
Get down! Return to formation!
Roger! What's your position? Gunship, 600 meters, northwest.
Stay low! Silence!
Contact, gunship, 400 meters, northwest. Contact, gunship, 700 meters, bearing 060.
Copy my stance. Stay alert.